Kijk maar mee.
Apex Group Company is specialist op het gebied van warmtewisselaars. Dit familiebedrijf heeft één doel en dat is bij te dragen aan het verbeteren van de duurzaamheid en het helpen ons milieu te beschermen. Mircea Dinulescu en Dr. Jens Kitshover nemen ons mee in de research and development en vertellen waarom de innovatie zo belangrijk voor hen is.
Our company has been built on my 50 years of experience as a research heat transfer engineer and specialized in thermodynamics and heat transfer. This experience has been further enlarged by a group of talented people who joined our company over the years. Scientific research has been and will continue to be the key to our success. We have invested in sophisticated equipment for measurement, and this was done for the purpose of further developing our products and for developing even new products. The keyword for research activities is flow visualization. This process is almost like magic. We are going to demonstrate to you that the flow of air, which is not visible, can be rendered into visible flow by laser optical measurement techniques. Let us watch how this magic can be done.
We have generated here a transparent flow model to apply laser optical measurement techniques. The air in this case is here driven by a centrifugal fan, but as you can already see, the air is invisible for us. We cannot see the motion of the flow. For that we apply here now laser Doppler anemometry to highly accurately measure the velocities and the turbulent fluctuations of the velocity field to define the inlet boundary conditions. Second is our particle image velocimetry system, which allows to make an image of the flow field and to visualize coherent flow structures. Large-scale, heavy-duty heat exchangers are mainly applied in the petrochemical industry. They are used as air preheaters for fired heaters. In the fired heaters, usually coal or gas is burned for a certain process. This fluid gas, which is then exhausted into the atmosphere, has usually 450 to 550 degrees Celsius. To recover this energy, a heat exchanger is usually used. And this heat exchanger can then exchange the heat between the hot fluid gas and fresh air. And that, in the result, generates a lower fuel consumption and less emissions, and thus is a more sustainable process. These plate-type heat exchangers usually operate in the transitional flow regime. This transitional flow regime is very difficult to predict. For that reason, we need empirical data, which we take by laser optical measurement techniques. The latest technology is the aerodynamical optimization of the whole fluid path, not only through our heat exchanger, but from a fluid particle exiting the centrifugal fan, traveling through the transition duct and through our heat exchanger, and finally traveling through the customer's equipment.
The most important motivational factor is to create that environment where people in the organization can grow professionally. It is proud of the company and to see that their specialists grow in value while working for the company, and the benefit is for both parties equally shared. In this respect, the research department has a very strong motivational factor by generating new knowledge in the company. This new knowledge should be shared, distributed to the whole company, so that the whole company benefits from a higher level of knowledge and experience.